morning all. Welcome to our chemistry online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Rakhi Radhakrishnan, your chemistry faculty. So we already studied about the nature of matter, properties of matter, basic quantities, etc. significant figures. So some problems relating with the significant figure and scientific notation we have been discussed today's class. On the first class, we discussed about significant figures. Based on that, scientific notation is also formed. Scientific notation means it is a convenient way to write a very small or a very large numbers, which means we can shorten that form. Okay, so numbers of a product of a number can be written in 10 raised to as a power. For example, 215 is written in scientific notation as 215 into 100, 2.515 into 100. Okay, so 100 is 10 square. So we can write it as 2.15 into 10 into 10. Or we can write as 2.15 into 10 raised to 2 or 10 square. So this is considered as the scientific notation, where we write the number in terms of power of 10. Okay, so this is an example where 215 is written as 2.15 into 100, and we can write it as 2.15 into 10 into 10 or 2.15 into 10 square. Another example. So here 215 is taken as the exponent of 10 raised to 2. We can also take as in the power of 10 raised to negative 3. While in this case, we assume that the value is 215.000. Okay, so the decimal point is moved to place to the left. On the same case, we can write it as, if the decimal point is moved towards the right side, we can write it as 0.00215, or we can write 2.15 divided by 1000. Since 3 numbers are there, so 3 decimal place, that is divided by 1000 or 10 into 10 into 10. Or we can write 2.15 into 10 raised to 3, where 10 raised to 3 power is being put upside, so we get 2.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. So here the decimal place is moved 3 places to the right side. So the exponential or the power of the term become minus 3. Another example. This is the scientific notation given, 3.7962 into 10 raised to 4. We can, so the original number is 37962. Okay, so positive exponents of 4. Here the decimal point is moved to the right fourth place. Okay, so the right fourth place is decimal point is moved. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we write as 10 raised to 4. If it is 10 raised to minus 8 like this, 1.56 into 10 raised to minus 8, then the number should be, yes, you have decimal point that is moved to the left 8th place. That becomes 0.00000000156. So scientific notation helps how many significant figures are present in a number, while we eliminate other zeros. The distance from the earth to sun, that is around 150 kilometer, which can also use the standard notation. Okay, and standard notation can indicate how many digits are significant. How many digits are significant? For example, in the first case, 150 crore kilometer can be written in the scientific notation as 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. So how many significant figures are there? By neglecting zeros, 2. Okay. So we can write it as 2. If it is 1.500 into 10 raised to 8, we can use these zeros also significant figure. So how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the how to write the scientific notation. Next one is rounding of numbers. How will you round the numbers? There are some simple rules we have to follow. First rule is, if the first digit you remove is 4 or less, drop it and all following the digit. For example, you get the number like this. If you add, multiply, subtract or divide, your answer is like this, 2.4271. Okay, so after the point, the last digit is 1. Okay, so if it is less than 1, less than 5, if it is less than 5, then you have to round off the number to 2 significant figures. Just drop that digit. So it becomes 2.4. Next rule is, if the first digit remove is 5 or greater. For example, if it is greater, you have to take the first 2 decimal place, and if the first 2 decimal place is greater than or less than 5, you have to just remove the other digit and drop to 2.4 itself. So if the last digit, for example, 4.5832, okay, 8, take this point after 2 decimal place. So 8 is greater than 5. So we have to round up the number to 4.6. Round that significant figure to 4.6. Okay. Like this. 1.5587. 1.5587. So since the last digit is 1.5587, which is greater than 5, and the 1.55, so it is 5, so just round. Since it is an odd number, just round to 1.56. Next one, 37421, 2, which is less than, yes, less than 5, so just eliminate these numbers and become 0.00374. Then 1367. Last number is greater. So we can round to 1370. Okay. 128522. We can round to 12900. Not 129. So 1.6683 we can round to 1.67. In these two cases, 1367 and 128522 cases, we can round it to exact digit. That's why it become 1370 and 12900. Okay. So, if 4965.03, we can drop these two numbers 0.03 and become 4965 because it is less than 5. And 780, 582, we can round to 786 because 8 is drop down because it is greater than 5, and we can include zeros there. And if it like this, it is equal to 5. When the number after the decimal place, when the number is equal to 5, what we need to is drop this number 5 and just add as 2000. Okay. In carrying out multiplication or division, the answer cannot have a more significant figures either for the original numbers. So, for example, this is a division process where 2780 milligram by 11.70 calorie is equal to 23.8 milli by gal. Here, this consists of 3 significant figures, this consists of 4 significant figures, and we got 3 significant figure here. Another rule is, in case of addition and subtraction, answer cannot have more digit after the decimal point. We only just kept after the decimal point 2 places. That's why it is like this 3.19. Only 2 decimal places put after the addition and subtraction. Multiplication. Here some multiplication and division process is given and the answer is also given. So in the first case 49.69. Since it is greater than 5, so just add the number with 1. Okay. So it becomes 49.7. And here it is less than 5. Just drop it. Then it becomes 46.4. Same base. 5. So let it be like that. Here 1.586. Just drop other number because it is less than 5. Addition and subtraction also, it's like this. Last important digit. Look for the last digit. 3 just less than 5. So write it as 0.71. 0.32. It is also lesser. So write it as 82,000.